So I'm going to be doing box braids today, like the rubber band method, and I've already got my hair in the rubber bands, as you can see. And I'm going to be using this hair, is the Expression hair. I bought it from, I think I got it from Sam's Beauty. I'm going to leave the link to the hair down in the subscription box. And yes, I'm just using it in color 1B. And yeah, so literally I'm just going to take it out and just pick it apart, and we could just move on from there to braiding. I've done this method before. I really like the method, the rubber band method. I've done this before, but on shorter hair actually, and I don't know why I didn't post that video, but I think I just forgot to post it. But this time around I decided to share it with you guys, so that way we can just all see how it comes out. You know, we can all just get to share the outcome of it. This hair, I believe, is about, somebody was telling me the other day it's about 62 inches, but it doesn't really need to be that, wait, sorry, it's 82 inches actually. It doesn't need, per packet, it doesn't need to be that long. I bought 10 packs of it, of the hair. I'm hoping that that is enough. 10 packets it's enough for my head, but I do have a big head, so let's just hope so. The hair comes out like so. It's really long, 82 inches. I'm gonna cut it in the middle, obviously, because I don't, wait, let's see something. Okay, so let's see, let me stand up, okay guys? I'm gonna stand up. Okay, it's like it gets to past all the way to my thighs. It's not necessary. Hair does not, I don't want it to necessarily be that long. Real hair has been pushed to the back. The Expression is pushed to the front. Okay. And then we're just going to start braiding. This is the easiest way to do it. So I'm using the two extensions as as just two extensions as separate braids, and then my natural hair is on its own right here. Let's do it again. And then when I come towards the end, when we just have just a little bit of my natural hair out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow from both strands. I'm going to borrow some hair from both strands and add it to my natural hair. And then I'm going to continue the braid. Here is the hair. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around my own natural hair. I'm going to pull it till it's secure, okay, and then we'll literally just start to twist the hair around it. Well, twist, braid, whatever. Braid it, secure it, just make sure everything's secure around. And then we're going to start to borrow hair pretty soon. Actually, we should probably borrow hair right now from both extension strands. And then the journey will continue after that.
Soleil de décembre annonçait la rupture de notre amour. Tout est fini, on n'en parle plus. Jamais, jamais, à tout jamais, j'ai décidé de t'oublier. Sur mon chemin, ne t'approche plus. J'avais le cœur toujours à pleurer. Toi tu l'avais toujours C'est là la raison de la rupture. Quand l'amour s'en va, tout est fini.